the ultimate retirement planning. Hey everyone, before we begin, I want you to do one simple thing that can support your future learning journey. Hit that subscribe button right now because here we don't just talk about money, we talk about building a life where money works for you. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever imagined your life at 65? No alarm clocks, no boss, no stress, just freedom. Or do you see a different picture? Still working, still worrying, still depending on others. Today, we're going to change that story. Today, we talk about something powerful, retirement planning. Understanding retirement planning. Retirement planning is not just about saving money, it's about designing your future. It's about making sure that one day, when you decide to stop working, your income doesn't stop. Think of it like this. Right now, you work for money, but through retirement planning, you make money work for you. That's the shift. That's the mindset. The reality most people ignore. Here's a truth that many people don't want to hear. Most people are not prepared for retirement. They live paycheck to paycheck, they spend more than they save, and they delay important decisions. They say, I'll start next year. I'm still young. I don't earn enough. But time doesn't wait, and one day, reality hits. The power of starting early. Imagine two people. One starts at 25, the other starts at 40. Both invest monthly. Who wins? The one who started early, not because they invested more, but because they gave their money more time. Time is your greatest asset. Use it wisely. Compound interest, your secret weapon. Compound interest is like magic. You invest money, it grows, then that growth grows even more. It's like planting a tree. At first, nothing seems to happen, but over time, it becomes strong, tall, and powerful. That's how wealth is built. Slowly, consistently, powerfully. 401k, the foundation of U.S. retirement. If you're working in the U.S., you likely have access to a 401k. This is one of the best tools available. Why? Because employers often match your contributions. Let me repeat, that's free money. If you're not using it, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. IRA, taking control of your future. Even if you don't have a 401k, you still have options. IRA, individual retirement account. Two main types, traditional IRA and Roth IRA. Each gives you tax advantages, and tax savings equals more money in your future. Investment strategy. Let's talk about strategy, because investing blindly is dangerous. You need a plan. Diversification is key. That means don't put all your money in one place. Spread it across stocks, bonds, index funds. This reduces risk and increases stability. Common mistakes. Avoid these. Starting too late, not investing at all, panic selling, ignoring inflation, relying only on savings. Mistakes cost time, and time is something you can't get back. Inflation, the silent enemy. Inflation reduces the value of your money. What costs $100 today may cost $200 in the future. If your money is not growing, you're actually losing value. That's why investing is necessary. Healthcare and retirement. In retirement, healthcare becomes important. Medical costs increase. Without planning, this can destroy savings, so include healthcare in your retirement plan. Lifestyle planning. Where will you live? What will you do? Travel, relax, start a small business? Your retirement plan should match your dream lifestyle. Step-by-step action plan. Start today. Save consistently, invest monthly, use retirement accounts, increase contributions, stay disciplined. Small steps, big results. Discipline over motivation. Motivation fades, and discipline stays. Even when it's hard, even when you feel lazy, you stay consistent. That's how wealth is built. Mindset shift. Stop thinking short term. Start thinking long term. Your future self is watching your decisions today. Make them count. Freedom is the goal. Retirement planning is not about money. It's about freedom. Freedom to choose. Freedom to live. Freedom to enjoy life. Final message. Your future is in your hands. Every dollar you save, every decision you make, it builds your tomorrow. Start today. If this message inspired you, if you want financial freedom, hit that subscribe button right now because your journey is just beginning. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today.